fuck is he? Where the fuck is he? I see Dennis! I know.
I'm spectating, don't shoot.
I know.
Careful with the camera. If it gets shot, I'm gonna be mad. Oh. Fuck. I just fell if you didn't know. Elements of pride. Out. You're totally dead. Ah, I got it.
Zero Fall is out.
I thought it was Charles too, that was the sad part.
Mark Hageman versus Charles Wagstaff.
Charles, I'm out.
I can't disclose any information. I'm only spectator.
That's me. Charles, who are you pointing at? Dennis getting the action shot on film. Did he get you? Hey Dennis, what
Switching.
did Ben say?
He never texted me back yet.
I better get out of this.